Hello friends. So I'm Harsh Prabha, and last time I prepared kheer, which was for the first time, and this time I have decided to prepare methi parathas. So methi is also known as fenugreek leaves. So I'll tell you the recipe that how I would be preparing methi parathas. So first of all, I'll introduce you to all the ingredients. So these are the fenugreek leaves, which are also known as methi leaves in Hindi, and this is whole wheat flour. This is chopped chilies, green chilies. This is ginger. These are sesame seeds. This is asafoetida, red chili powder, and salt as per your taste. So what you have to do is you have to mix all these ingredients together into a bowl. It is like a regular dough which you create for creating chapatis. Just we would be adding all the ingredients together so that it will give a good and wonderful taste to your parathas. So I'll be adding now all the ingredients one after another. So I have added all the ingredients together, and now I would be adding water slowly to this to make a good dough of this. So I would also be adding a teaspoon of oil to this. So now I'll slowly add water to this. So I'll be adding a little bit of oil to this. I am adding olive oil to it, and you can add vegetable oil to it as well. So it is as per your preference, that whichever oil you would like to use. So now I would be preparing my parathas. I should have turned on my gas before time so that it would be better if the tawa is already heated up a little bit. By the time I would just make like rolls for this. I have turned on the gas and kept the tawa onto it. So I am now making the parathas. So you can just spread it as much as you want. If you like really thick parathas, then you can. There is no need to spread it a lot, but I guess this is the fine size. So my tawa is hot enough. I'll just put this on it. So I'll wait for it to get properly cooked. Once it is properly cooked from below, then I'll be shifting it, and then we'll be applying oil to it. It should not take much time because I turned on the heat before time. So now I would be applying oil on one side of it. So I am using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. This tastes very good with ghee as well. So I guess when you are serving for kids, it would be really nice if you can just apply some ghee to it. As you can see, a very good color is coming to it. So you can serve this to your kids, to the elderly in your house, or to anybody. I guess that this is loved by everybody, I guess. So this can be a very good dish for your house. So this is the final product. These are methi parathas, and I have served this with pickles. This is the mango pickle and this is the chili pickle. But you can always serve it with curd, and you can also have it with tea. So I guess that you would have loved my recipe. So please make sure to like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for viewing my video.